joined Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Polluted.
राया पंचायत वाठारात प्रदूषणाच्या सावट बिल्डिंगांचे उदक झिरपोवन झऱ्यांनी पाविल्ल्यान मोठ्या प्रमाणात प्रदूषण जाता आशिल्ल्याचो दावो.
Here we have at Sonarwado this beautiful, once upon a time, a beautiful lake here, which was acting as a feeder for the agricultural activity during the Kharif crop, Rabi crop that you can see. But this year you can see the Rabi crop has already been, agriculture activity has taken place further, but here we cannot grow because this lake has been totally polluted. And the pollution is caused because a lake is fed with the surface water or groundwater. And the groundwater is polluted, and you can see there's water hyacinth in the water, and that is a clear sign of fecal coliform pollution. And this has happened because there are row houses that are come just on the higher side of this lake, and from that point onwards, this lake has been completely polluted. Now, in the panchayat board meeting, also we have to pass a resolution to call to have an inspection along with the health and the pollution control board. So I will request the Sarpanch again to come to write letter to the pollution. We have a joint inspection and see if we can stop this flow of sewage into this lake, because here annually they also submerge Visarjan of Ganesh idols.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.